have the executive chef of Maruti. So we'll be talking about how sustainability is maintained at the kitchen at Maruti and at STEM Racing of Team Techron.
So Chef Tanku, I saw a lot of plants outside. Do the plants have any use or any significance at the restaurant?
Yes, definitely, because this is our herb garden. So our gardener is maintaining the whole garden itself. So these plants we have at the moment seasonal basil, celery, and stuff like chilies. So which is used in the kitchen in parts of our production.
Okay, so Maruti is maintaining sustainability by using plants that they grow on their own outside. That's really great.
So second question for you, sir. We were really impressed when we knew how food wastage is managed at Maruti. So I would like to ask you that how do you reduce food wastage at your kitchen?
Yes, this is a really important thing with in the kitchen. Basically, to maintain sustainability. Like for example, if I may say, broccoli stems are reused in some part of our dim sums, and vestiges like carrot peels or whatever vestige, be it non-veg or veg, we use it in stocks, and so we maintain so that we reduce waste. So regarding that, we use our vestige in parts of our dim sums, like I say, and upcoming very soon we'll be launching sustainability based and local goods for in our dim sums, which will have a special menu, locally sourced ingredients, locally sourced vegetables to be used in our dim sums, which will have a special menu on it.
Thank you. So we also ensure that we utilize sustainability in a great way at Team Techron, and at STEM Racing also we promote sustainability, which is a very crucial aspect of our project.
So did you know about STEM Racing or what it is?
What is STEM racing? I'm not really sure about it. Can you enlighten me with that?
So STEM Racing is the world's largest competition. Over 132 countries participate in this competition. It is a really good opportunity for us kids who want to thrive in the STEM part of the world, and it is like one of the best things that has ever happened to me, because I love STEM Racing, I love F1, and I love to race and participate in this team. And
Thank you so much for enlightening me. This seems to be a really good opportunity for young kids. So anyone who's interested in F1 or maybe may enroll themselves, or I will also think about for my kids enrolling them in STEM racing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I love you.